wait for the way he wants to come along. This is the best thing. Bye bye, Leo. Come back later. So it's another weekend, and today's Saturday. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow is Onam, if you know what that is. For the non-Keralans watching, it's a regional festival. Okay, I don't want to go into explain. You can search for Google. You can search in Google for Onam, and we are heading to Kollam through the longer path today. Nicho, my brother, Brazil, might be taking the shorter path, but I might be taking the longer path. We are not decided yet, but it's going to be Kollam. Mostly going to be about 30 to 40 kilometers today. We're going to Ashramam, a place where a lot of people exercise. It's the kind of the driving school ground. So yeah. Oh, sorry for this. I forgot that it was on. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to wear my helmet. Okay, let me go get my helmet. Okay, so see you on the road. And I forgot one more thing. Those who are new to the channel, my name is Yassi Sharif, and through close friends call me Yassi. That's why the name Yassi Stories. Through this channel, I intend to share stories, interesting stories, or maybe just daily normal stories from my life. Make videos about them and share it with you guys and take you along on the journey. Mostly I make travel vlogs, but sometimes I like to make regular vlogs as well. Let's see. This is something I've recently started. Trying to vlog on a daily-ish basis. So yeah, let's see what happens, where that goes. So if you're new here, go check out my previous vlogs. Subscribe, like if you liked it, share it if you liked it very, very much. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch out. Okay, yeah, let's get back to the road. Just wanted to say this. Forgot to say this. See you on the road. Last time when we came here, my brother was also there with me. He went the other day because he didn't want to take the risk. He has some problem, breathing problem, so we are not sure yet to get it checked. So last time he almost blacked out. After this descent, you can see over there, after this descent, there is a huge climb. So that I walked it partially. Half of the climb I walked, half of the climb I cycled. But he climbed the whole thing, so he kind of blacked out. So I thought of taking a break just before this descent. I didn't take a break yet, and my average speed is about almost 20 km/h today. So right as of now, and that's great. I was like, I didn't want to stop and all. I just rode all the way. So yeah, I'll be meeting my brother at most probably Nevaram. People from Kollam, like 200 kilometers. So, let's get back on the road. I know there were no roads shown in between, but yeah, it was becomes a really tiring. Yeah, there was crosswinds as well. Yeah, so see you on the road. We have reached 26.8 kilometers. One side. Now I have to go all the back home, which is going to make it my first 50k on the cycle. And I've been to this place. This is Ashramam, by the way. This is the exercise ground, or like the place where the huge Ravi Pilla's daughter's wedding happened. The Bahubali set kind of wedding, yeah. So I'll be heading back home after relaxing, chilling here, roaming around here for a while. Of course, keeping distance and maintaining all safety measures. I've been to this place many times with friends, sometimes just for a drive, sometimes just for a ride, but nothing like what I'm feeling right now. A huge sense of accomplishment. I don't know, it feels special. So yeah, everyone must take to cycling, I would say. You should try it and you'll understand what I'm speaking about. It might look like they were close, but they were really far away. The guy who passed away right now. So let me just roam around here and let's see if something interesting happens that's going to come on the vlog. So this is my cute little brother. I love doing this to him. Chubby socks. Okay, so how was the ride?
Well, it was good. Well, it was not tiring. I did only 18 kilometers, so I don't find it tiring.
Yeah, you missed out on all the climbs.
Yeah.
Because you blacked out last time. Tell people that as well.
I didn't black out. No, I didn't.
Yeah, I saw it.
It was a
It was just that you couldn't see. It was not a blackout. It was just that you were about to faint.
See, I didn't had anything,
Uh-huh.
so it was a bit tiring for me.
Uh-huh.
Today I'm all fit. I had a
because you had ethaparam from home.
Yeah, I had
then you had
ethaparam
two
in the morning.
nyalipuans.
I had ethaparam in the morning, and on the way I had 2 nyalipuan param. So I'm pretty okay now. So how was your ride?
My ride, well, yeah, it was. The climb was not as difficult as the last time we went. The last time where you blacked out, that portion I did in a very. Before the descent, I took a break and then did the descent and climbed together. So it was not as tiring this time. I don't know why.
How many breaks did you take?
Just to
Don't
stop
bluff
twice.
here. Your people are watching it.
Just
Don't
twice.
bluff here.
Seriously, just twice.
Only twice?
Yeah, after 12 kilometers and then once at about 20 kilometers.
Well, I don't know what you did because I was not assembling
You were calling me, you know that. Of course, I mean, I did 26.8 kilometers in about like an hour or so.
I did 18 in an hour.
I did, yeah, that's what, 8 kilometers more than you, so I took lesser breaks than you. So the point is that now we are at Ashramam. Now we will be just, exploring here a little bit. There's a lake nearby. We might go there. We're not sure whether it's open. There's a cafe as well. It's like one of the best cafes at Kollam, and we might go there.
I don't think that is open. It's only 9.
Yeah, it's only 9, so it's not.
Are you crazy or what?
Not crazy. Yeah, it's only 9, so it's not open. Then I have to head back home as well. Tomorrow is my bestie's wedding, and he's marrying our classmate. It's an 8-year love story, and finally they're getting married, and we have to buy something for him. Me and Sijan. Sijan is, you might know him from one of the camping vlogs. My first camping vlog ever.
Am I coming with you guys?
If you want, you can come. It's okay. Anyway, we are like going, so it's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So that is the plan today. So we'll roam around here and we'll be heading back home. So yeah.
Bye, guys.
Let's not buy it. Let's not buy it. Let's not buy and
Bye.
Okay, maybe he is. Are you taking the shorter route again, or are you coming with me?
I'm taking the shorter route.
Okay, so it's going to be my first 50k, by the way.
No, you won't complete 50.
What the fuck? Why are you jinxing it?
It's only 44 kilometers, man.
If I come with you.
No. Okay.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
it's 50. Why do you jinx it? He always says something like this and it happens exactly like that. I hope today is the exception.
Bye, guys.
So yeah, see you on the road. Kilometers completed, 11 more to go. I think more than 13 more to go to reach home. My brother took the shorter route, not a longer route. Almost halfway. Took a break. It's really sunny. I am totally done. But I have to After this. Sorry, lack of energy over there. I'm at 45 kilometers, 45.5 kilometers. That's the long way home. But yeah, just 4.5 remaining for the 50k. And the climbs back, I missed just my stops. I didn't take enough stops. And on the way to Ashramam, I took like 2 stops. On the way back, so far I've taken only 1 stop. This is the second stop. I made it. I just overexerted myself. And yeah, I have to kind of rest for like 10-15 minutes now. And then I'll continue back home one stretch. I'm out of water. That is another thing. I guess I need 2 cages maybe. But there's no space for 2 cages. Not sure how I'm going to fit the other cage. Let's see. Anyway, that's the story so far. My brother has reached home, taking the shorter path, but I wanted to do the 50k away. See on the road. It's been really sunny on the way back. Super sunny. It's almost 11 o'clock now. I have to go back home, then yeah, I have to go out with my friends as well. So yeah, let me head back first. See you on the road. I'm weak lati. I mean, I reached home, sorry. And look at who is here. Leo. Leo boy, my Leo boy. I love you. Okay, so sit there. Okay, totally exhausted. Average speed of 17.7, which I thought would have been lesser. I thought it would be like something like 15 or so. But was great. Totally exhausted. There were some guests at home. I mean, like, neighbors who came in and I couldn't even talk to them because I was breathless. Now let me just have something to drink and then have a shower and have breakfast and then head out with my friends to kind of buy a gift, like I said. So thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. Do check out the previous vlogs, share them if you like it, and do like this one if you liked it, and if you like it really very much, then do share it with your friends. A lot of effort, okay, at least some, I would say a lot of effort goes into these videos, and I would really appreciate if you if you like it, if you can share it. So thank you for watching, guys. More power and more miles to you guys. Until next time with another vlog, this is Yasi Stories signing off. Thank you, bye bye.